Oops, you missed your mouth a little bit. Yummy. Want some more? Let me know when you're ready. Yep, that's pretty cute. Can I give you some more? Can I give you some more? Let me wipe off your mouth here. There we go. Here, you do it. Yeah, you do it. Well, that's interesting. Put your spoon in your mouth. Can you put your spoon in your mouth? Very good. Very good job. Ready for more? Are you ready for some more? Okay. Are you looking out your window? How about some more? Can I give you some more? Ready? Yeah. There you go. Okay. Very good. I think there's some more on there. You put some more in your mouth? Like those fingers. More? You're silly. Give me that spoon. Give me that spoon. Wop, 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 wop. Good job. Just a little bit under your chin. I know it. Here's some more. Here's some more. Yeah. Oh, no. Don't hit it. Eat it. Eat it. Very good. Yay, Wesley. You're silly. You say touchdown? Touchdown! Yay!